Hi everyone, my name is Glenda Sparling. I'm president of SureFit Designs, and I know some of you know me as Glenda the Good Stitch. But some of you might be watching one of my videos for the first time and know nothing about SureFit Designs. So let me explain. SureFit Designs is an international pattern fitting, designing, and sewing company that gets you a body blueprint based on your unique body shape and size, your measurements, quickly and easily. We've been in business since 1982, successfully fitting women, men, and children, literally all over the world. And how do we do that? Well, we utilize your body measurements and we plot them onto a multi-graded sloper pattern. And for those of you who aren't familiar with the term sloper, let me just explain. It is a pattern based on measurements that become the building block for all future designs and patterns. A sloper pattern typically does not have any seam allowances. It will have a minimal amount of wearing ease. If you take away all the wearing ease, then the pattern is called a moulage. And so it becomes the building block, and when your sloper fits you, as well as it will with SureFit Designs, it gives you a fantastic foundation for any design that you might want to do with a sewing pattern and know that it's going to fit you properly afterward. With SureFit Designs, you want to start by taking your unique body measurements, and then you use those measurements to plot them on a multi-graded pattern, like I have on display here. I'm showing you a skirt front, a bodice front, and sleeve, but we also have multi-graded patterns for pants, for shirts, and for children's wear, so we can dress the entire family. Well, how does this work? You take your measurements and you find your exact measurement on the master pattern. You'll see on the master pattern that there are a series of dots going up and out in various locations. Again, those are called the grading dots. And beside every dot there is a number that represents your body measurement. You can be as small as 28 inches or 71 centimeters, and this goes on up to 62 inches or 157.5 centimeters. So you can work in either the imperial or the metric system, which is great for all of our international customers. So you mark your measurement dots in and you connect them together, and your resulting pattern may end up looking like this. I've drawn off a blueprint, and I just used the word blueprint, which I'm going to talk about here in a second. Your pattern could end up looking like this because these are your measurements. My pattern, because I'm different from you, will end up being a different shape. And because it does follow the contours and silhouette and form of your body, that's why I call it a blueprint. So going way back to 1982 is when I coined the term body blueprint. Well, I talk about a bodice blueprint, a pants blueprint, a skirt blueprint, knowing that it's going to be a representation of your body. So it is this sloper or body blueprint that then becomes the foundation for all of your pattern work. So when you have your body blueprint done, you're going to have the liberating freedom to design whatever you want and know that your pattern is going to fit. Think about our software programs that produce some amazing results. Well, that's what SureFit Designs will do for you. Knowing some very simple design changes, you're going to be able to modify your body blueprint, change necklines, sleeve styles, skirt designs, mix and match them together very simply and easily, and again, know that the pattern is going to fit your unique body shape and size. We at SureFit Designs know just how far you can take your fitting and designing with your body blueprint. The sky really is the limit. And to help you on this journey of fun and discovery, we have a plethora of resources available for you. First of all, most of you are likely watching this on the YouTube channel. Our channel, of course, is SureFit Designs, and we have over 200 plus free videos that are educational and informative on fitting, designing, and sewing. We also have sewing pattern kits that contain the necessary master patterns, the instruction books, and we have tools and templates to help you further along your body blueprint to get it exactly the way you want it to fit on your body. Additionally, we have a number of in-depth instructional DVDs, and these DVDs are going to take you deeper into the whole process of getting an excellent fit and designing with your body blueprint. And to keep up with the times, because we know a lot of folks don't have DVD players anymore, we now have streaming videos available online. And so we have all of the DVDs translated into streaming video for you. And when you purchase a DVD, you get the streaming video code completely free. So there's no additional purchase to be made to watch it online. We also have design-alongs and sew-alongs on that same video platform. In addition to this, we also have 3 websites. They are SureFitDesigns.com, which is the main website, and then we have the SureFit Designs Learning Center, and there we have all the articles and videos. We call it the article and video libraries. And SoFitAcademyOnline.com is where you're going to see all the streaming video. And of course, you can watch all that video in the comfort of your home when the time is right for your learning experience. Another resource available to you is our international distributors. We have a number of different distributors throughout the world who are there and available to help you draw your body blueprint if you need help, and to design if you need help. And in addition to that, we have an international Facebook group where we have all levels of experience, from beginners to the very professionals, who share their projects, their ideas. Everyone asks questions and we all chime in with replies. So if you happen to have a Facebook page and would like to participate in this group, I invite you to join our community. It is a private group, so just make sure to request to join and answer the questions that are there, and I will approve you. And lastly, I would encourage you to join our newsletter. Please make sure that you go to SureFitDesigns.com, sign up for the newsletter list. There are free gifts to get you started, and when I send out emails, it will inform you of updates and anything new that's happening with SureFit Designs. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.